Hi there, time for a box breaking or two. It's Panini Absolute Football 2012. It's Super Football soon, and I thought, oh, why not? Might be fun. I think it's this person. Are you free? You're going for? Yeah, hope you can. Unfortunately, yeah, my team, the Panthers, don't have really anyone to hope for there, so let's see what we got. Oh, it's hard to open this. We got base, Matt Fort, and Curtis Sensball from the Titans. I like looking at that. Redemption. Let's look at that later. And a couple more base. Michael Wick, Mike Wallace, Eagles and Steelers. See, rookie premium materials, AFC, NFC, player David Wilson. Yeah, I guess it's better than nothing. Man, this is hard to open. Maybe there's some valuable things in here. You can only hope. The first card is tight end Aaron Hernandez from the Patriots. Patriots looking really good this year, as most years lately. Austin Collie from Colts, Broncos, Peyton Manning, base card, still. Patriots, tight end, I already said that. Patriots, Jones Chandler. And of course, here he is, Robert Griffin III, NFC rookie. I can't believe I've actually got it. This is going in there. Gotta find it. Got to find it. I guess this is better than nothing at the moment. This is really sweet. Let's see if it's numbered. It's numbered 18 of 25. Man, he's going to be so big, that guy. If he just can learn to slide a bit. Or else he will be injured the rest of the season next year. Perhaps come and play for some decent team. Like the Panthers. And first card is Santana Moss from the Redskins. I actually don't think I can top that last card. It's so great how we pulled Robert Griffin III. It's so fucking great. And Raiders. Devon Steele from the Bengals. From $2.99. That's the trade. Matt Ryan. Sam Bradford. Actually, it seems to be right on. It's hard to open the pack. There's something good in it. So it's kind of a spoiler name actually. That's not the best thing. Quarterback Philip Rivers from the Chargers. Steve Johnson from the Bills. Wide receivers in the Prize, Seahawks. Quarterback from the Chargers, Philip Rivers. Devon Breeze and the Jersey rookie. It's Stephen Hill, numbered 39 of 99. Oh, it's so shiny you can barely see it. That's pretty nice, that card. Alright, that was a really nice box. And second, all the way from the United States of America. God bless them from American football. One of the finest games of all time. But don't forget, we got this. I actually pulled some really good hockey cards yesterday. I can't believe my luck at the moment. It's so crazy, so crazy. But this might be pretty good. It's terribly hard to open. And Devon Breeze, wide receiver from the Dolphins. Fuck you, Dolphin! Fuck you, hey! Nej, inget sånt nu. Darius Hydman Bay. Ryan Fitzpatrick. Rookie jersey card with TJ Graham. Number 99. And Philip Rivers, Chargers. Oh, I think it's the second. Already. That sucks. No, what the heck. It's not a base in after. Come on! Some just split us right up and some are terrible. Just horrible. Let's see. Josh Freeman, quarterback from the Buccaneers. Pretty cool team. Packers, Aaron Rodgers. Cowboy, Jason Willer. What do we got here? Emmanuel Echo. Oh, another signature card. Marcus Allen, NFL icon. Number 225. I think that's a pretty good card too. I think it's that deserves some protective gear too. But I get it in a moment. Cats are going ballistic out there. That must be Marsh or something. We got our regular Redskins. It's Santana Moss. Matt Forte, Bears. I love the Bears. Rashad Mendenhall, Steelers. It just was some disappointment this year. Kyle Wilbur. And another redemption. Stargazing Signatures, Prime Material, 35. Trent Richardson. Trent Richardson. Just focus. I don't think it's getting better. I gotta get a camera. That pack. I really don't need this pack. I'm so satisfied. And 1-1 would be better, but I don't think so. Oh, that was pretty easy to open. Then the pack will suck. Frank Gore, 49ers. Patriots, Aaron Hernandez again. I think I have 3 already. Beanie Wells from the Cardinals. And what do we got here? Winnie Curry from the Eagles. Winnie Curry. And the autograph card is Zach Brown, Titans. Spectrum. And this number out of 299, so it's okay. Great for that one, yeah. Recap. The highlight, I think this. Robert Griffin III. And the other, I must say, will be Marcus Allen, NFL icon. From Kansas City Chiefs. No, not a big deal. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye. I said goodbye.